Hello everyone. Today we are focusing on database, and we're going to see how we can calculate ages of people in database, plus also names starting with a certain letter and ending with a certain letter. For example, I have my database here, the company. Let's say this is our table. We have the table is called workers. So we want to calculate the age of each individual. Here we have their date of birth, so we're going to calculate their ages. This is how we do it. We go to create and then query design. So if you've ever created a query, this is how you've done it. When you open up query design, to bring this display here, it has tables, queries and both. So for this case we want tables. We're going to click add and then we close. So we're going to put each column here. We double click at each. So after that we're going to go to this blank column. We're going to use this column to calculate the age. This is how we do it. Let's first increase the size of this. So let's go here. We left click, then we come to this drop down, then we right click, we go to build. So after going to build, we're going to have this display here. We're going to get a function from these options. Function is here. We double left click and then we go to build in functions. Again we double left click at it, so it will bring this. We press at date stroke time and then we press at date diff. So after pressing at date diff, it will bring this function here. We're going to edit this function for us to be able to create age in a database. So we're going to focus on this interval first. You left click at it, it will highlight the area. So you simply press shift, you hold shift and press this button besides enter. It will bring those kind of quotations or what. So they should be two. They should be two, like how they are here. You press twice. After that you press Y. The 4Y is there. You insert the 4Y is there. After that you left click at date 1. It will still highlight it with blue. After that we're going to go to tables, and then you go to the table we have, it is workers. Then you press at it. We're going to go to date of birth because it's what we are focusing on. You double left click at date of birth. So it will change this area to bring the database name here, and it will bring the column date of birth. So we go to date 2. Still you left click at it, and then let's try and make some change. You type now and then you open and close. You open and close. After that I want to simply delete from here up to that comma, up to that those two brackets besides now. So after that I will press OK. When you press OK, of course the function will go to that area which we focused on. So let's call it age. We call it age, and then we try to run. So it has created age. For you to understand this, I was a bit fast, but for you to understand this, you can watch the video quite a number of times and focus on each and every step I made. So that is age. This is a query that has created everyone's age. Yeah, let's try and save it. Let's call it age. So let's try and create the last one that for example, we're going to call out names of people start with letter K. We expect Kakembo, Kakoza, Kasozi, Komo, Hanji. There are 4 names, so we expect 4 people. Still we go to query design and then add close. We'll do it like how we used to do it. So we go to name and then we are looking for those that start with letter K. We're going to press shift and then you hold shift and then you press number 8. That's a star. It's called asterisk. Yes, it's called asterisk. But names that start okay should be before that asterisk. Names that start with K. So you run. See, the names are brought. Therefore, like how we expected. Let's call it K. So the very last piece we're doing is we're going to look for names that end with letter E. We see there Bobby, Grace, and Nicole. There are 3. We do the same. Create query design, add, close, and we insert the columns. You double left click at each. So it ends with E. So we're going to put a star and then we type letter E. The difference is that let's first run. Yeah, they're here. Now let's go back and see. The difference is that the E was after the E was before the asterisk. That's why there's a difference in beginning and start. Okay, a nice time. Keep on watching my videos.